Sattvaya. Salutation to the one who is Sattva. So let's say Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sattvaya Namo Namaha. Sattva Vritangataya. Salutation to the one who sustains Sattva. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sattva Vritangataya Namo Namaha. Kamalalaya. Salutation to the one who is the abode of lotuses. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kamalalaya Namo Namaha. Hiranya Garbhaya. Salutation to the golden egg of Brahma, the subtle body of the Virata. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Hiranya Garbhaya Namo Namaha. Bodha Sama Shrayaya. Salutation to the one who is the collective shelter of awakening. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bodha Sama Shrayaya Namo Namaha.
Now the symbol of this is like this. You must understand the symbol. That is just a leaf. The last thing left with us is this leaf. Of course, Tulasi represents the left Vishuddhi, but also an attachment. So now when you have it in the hand, it sticks, it doesn't fall. So you put water to see that it goes away. Even its smell, everything goes away from the hand. It is significant of that.
Salutation to him who lives in or is the possessor of the navel or Nabhi chakra. Nabhavine. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nabhavine Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who is devoid of the body. Deha Sunyaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Deha Sunyaya Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who can see the supreme goal. Paramartardrihase. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Paramartardrihase Namo Namaha. Salutation to the knower of yantras. Yantravide. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Yantravide Namo Namaha. Salutation to the support of all supports. Dharadharya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dharadharya Namo Namaha. Salutation to the seed of mantras. Sanatanaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sanatanaya Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who is adorned in the glory of attention and awareness. Chitti Tribhushanaya.
Loudly. Chitti Vibhushanaya.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Chitti Tribhushanaya.
That's the ornament of the attention. Is the Guru. In your attention, who is the ornament? Who is the beauty? Is your Guru.
Salutation to the one who is not excited or agitated. Chandra Surya Nilokanaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Chandra Surya Nilokanaya Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is completely fulfilled within.
Completely what?
Fulfilled within. Antapurnaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Anta Purnaya Namo Namaha.
These are all my qualifications and not yours so far. They have to be your qualifications.
Salutation to him who is completely fulfilled without Bahi Purnaya.
completely fulfilled without
Sakshat Shri Bahi Purnaya Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is the self of fullness and fulfillment. Purnatmane. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Purnatmane Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who is self-contained. Khagarbhaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Khagarbhaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the immortal one, to the honored and respected. Amar Chitaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Amar Chitaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is deep and profound. Gambhiraye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Gambhiraye Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is possessed of mercy and compassion. Dayavate. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dayavate Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who shines brilliantly with discernment and knowledge. Satya Vinya Bhaskaraye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Satya Vinya Bhaskaraye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who shines by his own light. Sadashivaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sadashivaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who makes better. Shri Yashkaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shreyashkaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who annihilates non-knowledge. Anyana Khandane. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Anyana Khandane Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who is fairness, constancy, and contentment.
Firmness, constancy, and contentment.
Salutation to the one who is fairness, constancy, and contentment. Dritiyai. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dritiyai Namo Namaha. Salutation to the remover of hypocritical pride and intoxicated frenzy. Dhamba Dharpa Mada Bhaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dhamba Dharpa Mada Bhaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the remover of the gunas. Gunantakaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Gunantakaye Namo Namaha.
Now think of it, that if you are in the gunas, how can you do that? If you are on the right or the left or the supraconscious and or the subconscious, how can you do that? You have to be beyond it yourself. Then only you can remove it.
Salutation to the destroyer of fever and illness. Dvarana Sanyai. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dvarana Sanyai Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who breaks destructiveness and silly arguments. Bhedavaitan
I think you sit in
Dakhanadaniya.
front of me, I can't hear you properly. You just sit in front of me. Here you sit in front. Just can't hear.
We're restricted by the length of the.
No, you sit facing me.
extension.
There, you can sit in the place of Ken. I must see your face.
Salutation to him who breaks destructiveness in silly arguments. Bhedavaitan Dakhanadayanaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhedavaitan Dakhanadayanaya Namo Namaha.
Big word.
Salutation to the one who has no vasanas or entrapping conditionings. Nirvisanaya.
No entrapping.
Nirvasanaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirvasanaya Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is motionless, inactive, desireless and still. Nirihaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirihaya Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who is without ego. Nirahankaraya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirahankaraya Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who removes anxiety and pain. Sukha Dukharaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sokha Dukharaya Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is devoid of the qualities of hopelessness and depression. Nira Shirni Rupadhikaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nira Sirnu Rupadhikaya Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who endlessly conquers and overcomes.
Okay.
Who endlessly conquers and overcomes.
Endlessly conquers.
And overcomes.
All right. Say it.
Ananta Vikramaya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ananta Vikramaya Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who makes an end of destruction and splitting. Bhedantakaya.
What?
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhedantakaya Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is the great Muni, sage, the essence of silence. Munaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Munaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the great yogi, Mahayogine. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahayogine Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is eternally in yoga, Nityamuktai. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nityamuktaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who is yoga,
Who is yoga?
Yogaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Yogaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who gives stability and a place to stay. Sthanadaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sthanadaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who is the becoming of great experience and understanding. Mahanubha Vabhavitaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahanubha Vabhavitaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who has conquered desires, lust and passion. Kamajite. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kamajite Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is most magnificent and glorious. Suchirbhutai. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Suchirbhutai Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is the self of the manas, imaginative, desiring quality in man. Manatmane. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Manatmane Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who has abandoned and gone beyond thinking awareness. Chaitana Vigata Yane. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Chaitana Vigata Yane Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is eternally free and liberated. Aksara Muktaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Aksara Muktaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who takes the last absolute step. Parakramine. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Parakramine Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is the analysis and resolution of renunciation. Tiyaga Vigrahaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Tiyaga Vigrahaye Namo Namaha.
Now, this is all a description of the Guru, who on human level is like me. Whatever I am on the divine level. It's much more than this. But in human level, you have to have all this. These are the signs of the Guru who is a human being. Do you follow that thought? This is not the Divine Mother there. It's the Guru who is a human being. If I am there, it's nothing great because there are much more than that. But you have to become that. That's the point.
Salutations to him who causes one to become attached to withdrawal of the senses. Pratyahari Niyojakaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Pratyahari Niyojakaye Namo Namaha.
Through pratyahar, you develop your discipline. And the one who arranges this for others, the one who is himself is not disciplined, how can he do it?
Salutations to him who dawns and becomes light before one's very eyes. Pratyakshavaratavar. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Pratyakshavaratavar Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is the supreme goal of the Devas. Devanam Paramagataye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Devanam Paramagataye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is victorious of death and death spirits. Mahadevaye. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Mahadevaya Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who limits and destroys the universe of Sri Yama. Bhuvanantakaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhuvanantakaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is the destroyer of sins. Papanashanaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Papanashanaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the one who has come through hell, conquering it. Avadhutaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Avadhutaye Namo Namaha.
If you are genuine and if you are really in your Shraddha, all these qualities should be expressed in your personality. Should be expressed when you say the mantras. If the mantras are jagru, they should start all those things within you. But you have to be beyond your ego. They should, today, they should.
Salutation to the one who sustains and removes intoxication. Madhabahaye.
Sustains and removes.
Intoxication, removes intoxication.
I don't think I've been able to do that so far. On human level, it's rather difficult. You get intoxicated very easily with pride, falsehood, ego.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Madhabahaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who has been freed from Maya. Maya Muktaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Maya Muktaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who is the highest attention. Chiddu Tamaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Chiddu Tamaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the knower of the field, Shri Krishna the Atman or Spirit. Kshetrajnaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kshetrajnaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to the goer into the field. Kshetragaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kshetragaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who destroys the darkness of samsara and transmigration. Samsara Tamuna Sanai Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Samsara Tamuna Sanai Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is bliss free from fear or alarm. Samkha Mukta Samadhi Mate. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Samkha Mukta Samadhi Mate Namo Namaha. Salutations to the protector, Patre. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Patre Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is eternal purity, Nitya Sudhaye. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nitya Sudhaye Namo Namaha.
Many people think that ego is not impurity. They think that domination is not purity. They don't understand what purity is. Ego is the greatest impurity we have. And dominating others is the greatest sin.
Salutations to the boy, the child. Balaye. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Balaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to the pure and chaste youthful student, Brahmacharine. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Brahmacharine Namo Namaha.
That means you have to be virtuous. You cannot be a guru and not virtuous. You cannot do that.
Salutations to the remover of hypocritical pride and intoxicated frenzy. Dambha Dalpa Matpa Haye. Om Tamev Sakshat Shri Dambha Darpa Madabhaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to the remover of the gunas, Gunantakaye. Om Tamev Sakshat Shri Gunantakaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to the destroyer of fever and illness, Jvaranasanaye. Om Tamev Sakshat Shri Jvaranasanaye Namo Namaha. Salutation to him who is placed in the heart, Hridayasthaye.
Guru has to be in the heart.
Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Hridayasthaye Namo Namaha.
Third means it's a station. And that is the body which resides in our heart. But the Guru and the Mother.
Salutations to him who is in constant enlightened motion, Pravartanaye. Om Tamev Sakshat Shri Pravartanaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who rips apart and destroys the pain of planning, Samkalpadu Kadalanaye. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Samkalpadu Kadalanaye Namo Namaha. Salutations to him who brings living creatures alive, Jivasam Jivanaye. Om Tvamev Sakshat Shri Jivasam Jivanaye Namo Namaha.
108. How many have you done?
We're up to 108, we're only up to 82.
Done more than that. How much? 200. Or not, than that. So now that is too many qualities for Western surgery. You should have done only 5 to begin. So I think you better get the copies of these and try to see how far you are. One by one. Be honest. Judge yourself. Find out how far you are. Your mother has all these, but I am different. I am much more than that. Not only that I am Guru, I am Adi Guru, but I am the mother of all. I am the source of all the Gurus. I am the one who has created all the greatest Gurus of this earth. And I am the one who has given you realization to be the greatest Gurus of the world. But you have to have that quality, that speciality that those great gurus have. All these gurus were created by me. I have great capacity. Being done. Puja. Thank you. You have to thank also the deities that they have worked out today, otherwise they were not in the mood. Just thank them. Thank me. From your heart. Do it from your heart. Just not a drama. Just not a lip service, but do it from your heart. Try to seek your heart. Put me in your heart. Put me in your heart. Put me in your heart. Avan, ask Mother to come in your heart. Mother, come in my heart. Come in my heart. Please ask.